Okay, I marketed in on this one. I'm going long, and I'm going to set my stop low here. At 44.17, I'm long with the stop at 44.14. Probably should have waited for it to pull down here before I got in. This trade also might have been a little bit of FOMO. I was looking at this fair value gap here and I missed it because I was taking care of my daughter this morning. I had to get her down for a nap. Unfortunately, I didn't get to the charts until we were probably around like 10:45 up here. So I definitely felt FOMO for missing this entry right here. This would have been perfect. And then even this one probably as a secondary entry would have been a much better than where I entered, but I still feel pretty confident that we're moving up. But we will see. I'll pause for now. It's looking like we're going to get stopped out early on this one. Yeah, this one definitely was a FOMO issue here. Definitely FOMO'd into this trade. Hate that I missed this one. That's okay. We'll move on to the next one. I've just been trading like shit lately.
Stop filled.
And just got stopped. So I'll keep you updated. Definitely FOMO to that one, but see if we can get a little bit more market structure and then see if we can find anything else. Call me crazy, but I just entered off of this. There's a 5-minute fair value gap that I really should have been looking at. I was looking at the 1-minute time frame and I shot myself in the foot. But like I said, call me crazy. There's a 5-minute fair value gap, which should have been my entry point and not way up here in the original trade. So yeah, call me crazy. I'm in right afterwards. But if this goes badly, I'm done for today because I got a migraine a little bit today and I'm already mentally just not in the right space. So see how this trade goes. Let's see. 413. First target. And then my second target will be 24.75. I'm going to give myself proper stop loss here. take 3 points risk on that one. Had I not FOMO'd into that first trade, this would have been the proper entry on the 5 minute here. All right, well, I will pause for now and come back when there's a little bit more movement. I've got a killer headache right now, so I think regardless of what happens after this trade, I'm going to be done. I need some water and maybe go back to bed because I got a killer, absolutely killer headache. So again, I'll keep you updated. But actually, I'm going to let this run just because it's the last trade. And I'll speed it up or whatever happens. But I'm just going to let this trade run and we'll see what happens. So I got a new whip, new car that I'm going to buy with all my profits. It's got 4-wheel drive, you know, all the good stuff. Oh, killer headache. I'm going to monitor this one just in case it decides to turn around. anytime soon. Kind of like yesterday, I don't want to go back to break even. I can move my stop. Still keeping an eye on the 5 minute. I really don't want this to turn red. So this one here, 44.25 is yesterday's high. And I need a 5 minute candle. Decent one. This just doesn't want to move. I actually don't like that I moved my original stop. That's my original stop. I can handle that risk. See, I hope we're just grabbing some liquidity here and then gonna move right back up. Definitely got some stops. Maybe they're coming from mine. But I set mine here at 44.11 just because of this high right here coincided with a pre-market high. So I'm hoping it's just gonna tag it. So I gave myself a little bit of wiggle room. I didn't really want to move my stop up here because it was above this level, and I'm hoping this is as far into this fair value gap as we go. Or we just head down and I'm wrong, which is kind of looking like. Yeah. Yep. All right. Short day for me. yeah, kind of on a losing streak right now, so that kind of sucks. But definitely, I think today's issue was that FOMO from the definitely the first. I mean, you could argue you could get in off of this 5 minute fair value gap, but I think the real kicker for me today was this 1 minute fair value gap and off of VWAP. That was a pretty high quality entry, and I think at some level the double bottom from this morning, it wasn't news, but they had that like economic forum this morning with JPOW and a couple of other countries, and we kind of formed like a double bottom here, so this very well could have been a decent entry as well. At any one of these points could have been decent, but it is what it is. But we'll get them next time, and appreciate you hanging out with me. Now we're just waiting at this point for my stop to get taken. So yeah, it's been kind of tough. Definitely a couple of tough losses lately. It's really tough when you've got, a 9-month-old daughter that you've got to manage. It sucks that you can't like put 100% of your focus into trading, which you really need to be able to do that just because of the nature of trading. But it'll be interesting to see like long term how I do. If I'll be able to come back. Still messing with a couple of things. Still learning basic ICT stuff. And maybe I shouldn't be longing into the overnight high. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. We're kind of just hovering around my stop, so I don't feel too comfortable with this right now, but I'll pause for now. All right, there's the stop, and I am done for today. I can't start it off on a FOMO trade, and then took another trade which I thought might have been a little bit better. Still felt really impulsive, and so keeping this stuff transparent. So hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes every day. So see you guys next time. Peace.